Welcome back everybody to another video. Today we're here with this Jeep Cherokee Sport, the little guy, and we're just going to do an oil change. So I'm going to walk you through step by step, show you how to do it, part numbers, all that stuff. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Oil filter for this Jeep is a STP S16. Looks like this. For the Jeep, we're using STP high mileage 10W30. Step 1, jack up the vehicle and get underneath. Underneath the car, you got the drain plug on the back of the oil pan. Use a 14mm. Stick it on here, and you're gonna righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Drain it into your pan here. And try not to spill it all over the floor. Most of the oil is drained out. It's just dripping very slowly. So we can put our plug back in and then give this a little torque. Just do it by hand. Don't use any kind of impact or anything because you'll rip the threads out. All right, you're gonna grab a pair of these little pliers here. You're gonna come from above. There's no room underneath because of the four-wheel drive system. So you're gonna go through like this. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Take the oil filter off, and hopefully you have an oil drain pan underneath, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. I got the filter out. I had to unplug that plug for that oil pressure sensor, but that's not a big deal. It just gave me more room to use those pliers. Get the new filter, rub some oil on the seal, and then we're gonna just put this on hand tight without tools. Don't use any tools. Screw it on hand tight till it stops, and that's it. So I was told this thing takes 6 quarts. We're gonna start with 5.5 quarts and check it. Once you have all 6 quarts in, run it for about 20 seconds. Then we're gonna shut it off, and we're gonna check the oil with the dipstick. To get the oil in the correct spot, that says safe here. It's probably hard to see on video, but it says add and safe. It's gonna take the entire 6 quarts. Hopefully this video helped you out, save you some money, let you do it yourself. Till next time, wrench on. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, help me out with this algorithm. It's murdering me, and I'll see you in the next one.